Say bye-bye to the gold. The gold emblems were kind of funny and novel at first, but now it's just time to get rid of them. The whole car is like black and silver and clear now, and I want to keep that theme. The gold just sticks out too much now. To remove the emblems, I will be using Glide Pro Health Multi-Protection Floss. Clean mint. I've literally never done anything like this. Oh, this floss sucks. This is not as easy as it looks. Alright, so I just tried fishing line. Works much better. 14-pound test line. Okay. Okay, a little problem with the floss method. We have alignment pins. So, just scraped it off with a non-marring pry tool. Well, spent a long time prying this, only to realize that it has a screw holding it on. But anyway, getting this cleaned and we're gonna spray it. Blah. Alright, so fast forward a couple of years, I ended up finding some actual silver/chrome badges at the junkyard, and we went ahead and put them on. It's nice that there's alignment dowels. It makes it so that they sit correctly. Unfortunately, this badge did take some paint with it, or at least the clear coat is just kind of damaged underneath it. Kind of unfortunate, but I have a, peeling paint on the trunk and it's hail damaged anyway, so I always thought this trunk lid would get replaced. We have the clear badge on front. Again, it's just held on by a little screw. But with the clears, the nice clean headlights, and everything is all silver and nice. The gold is just a little too gaudy for me. I'm not a gold guy.